Well, hey there, welcome back everybody. It's a beautiful day here in Maine. The sun's shining, it's kind of crisp. I'm going to do some work. I think I'm going to get a log loaded onto the sawmill. This is the first work I've done outdoors all winter long because there's just been too much snow. Well, now that a lot of the snow is gone, I do have a few piles. This one here, so I can get back to my logs a little better. And I've got another pile over here. I'm going to knock those down a little bit so that they'll melt faster, and plus they'll get them out of my way while the ground is frozen. Right now it's only about 20 degrees out. I don't think it's going to get much higher than maybe the mid-30s today. So while the ground is packed, this would be the time to spread out those snow piles and to get a log onto the sawmill. I notice the chickens don't seem to mind it. They're out here pecking all around. That's what I'm going to do, is I'll knock these snow banks down, and then I'm going to move a log to the sawmill, and that'll probably be it for this video. My plan is to use the backhoe to pick up those logs. You can see I got a couple logs right there. I'll pick one of those up and at least get it to the sawmill, and then I'll probably call it a day because the ground might be softening up. In the meantime, I might show a clip of what it looked like when all the snow was here, so stay tuned. Welcome to Maine, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Isn't it beautiful out here? It's not really that cold out, but we had a beautiful snow. Obviously not much we can do outside today. Wood miser is still piled under snow. It's not terribly cold out. It is terribly white out. Awfully quiet. If there was any animals running through the woods, you'd be able to hear them. About all you can do is warm up, sit near the fireplace, enjoy it. It probably looks a lot colder out than what it is. It's probably about 30. So you get bundled up enough, you can do quite a bit outside. Well there, that seems to have gotten rid of a lot of the snow pile. I think it'll melt easier now. Gets too much ice there, and geez, that'll stay there till the middle of May. So that's broken down enough now. Now let's see if I can pick up this log. I don't want to go over backwards, so I'm going to leave my outriggers down just a little bit. Then as I'm moving, if it does want to lean backwards some, at least I got something to help stop me a little bit. Won't be much, but a little bit. So that's one way of getting a log on the mill. It's a pretty good sized log. I'd say it's close to 12 inches on this end. It may be 15 to 17 on the other end. Just for reference, I'll show you. Pretty good sized log. Before I get out here to the sawmill again, though, I imagine we're going to have a rainstorm or something, so that's good. It'll wash a little bit of the dirt off it. And so, till the next time, folks, hope you enjoyed me watching me push some of this snow over, and give me a comment if you'd like. Please like and subscribe, and now that I've got the tractor out, I think I'll be doing more work outside. This is what I truly love. It won't be long before we'll be going up to the mountains, going out to camp. So, till then, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.